Hello and welcome. The practice today is a full body, gentle flow. This is specifically going to help with your flexibility and deep relaxation. And I am Shanika. If you are new here, I am a yoga instructor with over 12 years of experience. I'm also a full-time teacher, so I know what those days of overwhelm and busy days can feel like. And this is your space to relax, unwind, slow down, and breathe. The practice today is going to target areas specific for the hips. So if you do a lot of sitting, you do a lot of standing, this practice is going to open you up in all the right ways so that you can feel capable and mobile as you move throughout your day. We're going to start in a child's pose. So bringing the knees out wide, big toes to touch, send your hips back towards your heels first. From here, bring your elbows to the floor, bringing your hands to touch, and bringing your palms just onto the nape of your neck, feeling a nice stretch on the underside of the triceps. Few deep breaths here. Let's gently remove the hands from the neck and spider your fingertips out in front of you. And from here, you're just going to rock. So you're going to look underneath your right armpit and then look underneath the left armpit. Just gently rocking side to side. Gently lift the gaze, walk your hands back in, and bring the knees to close, but you're still sitting back onto your heels. From here, taking your hands behind your neck, interlace your fingers. Inhale, push the skull gently into the palms, lean back. And exhale, round, chin to chest. And as you do so, tuck your tailbone under with your breath. Last one. Inhale to open up here, interlace your hands behind you, clasp your fingers. You can have a slight bend in the elbows. Then think about drawing the shoulders back and squeezing the elbows together. Dig your knuckles or push your knuckles into your low back as you puff up through the chest. Squeeze and hold here. Feel a nice opening in the shoulders. You can even drop your knuckles to the floor. That feels good. And gently come all the way back up. Taking your hips now, you're going to pick up your hips and bring them down to the floor to the left. Sprinkling your right fingertips beside you, reach your left fingertips up and over. So a nice stretch in the left side body, looking underneath that left armpit. Inhale that right arm up as you bring the left hand down beside you. Push your seat up. You're going to weigh you're balancing your weight on your left knee, and your right knee is heavy as you lean to the left. So feeling now that pull in the right side body. Your right toes are still on the floor. And gently bring your seat back to the mat, and we'll do this on the other side. So picking up your hips and shifting them to the right. Hips come to the floor. Left fingertips come to the floor as you reach up and over with the right. looking underneath the right armpit. Inhale that left arm up. Windmill your right fingertips to the floor. Push down into your right heel. Left knee comes light. And reach to the right. Gently come to a seat and find a seat. We'll be making our way into fire log. So let's bring the left shin parallel to the top of the mat. And you're going to bring the right foot so that your right foot is hanging off of the left knee. And if, like myself, your knee is far away from your foot, you can place a block there if that feels more comfortable, more stable. Inhale here. And on an exhale, you're going to interlace your fingers around that right knee and pull it in towards your chest. And then gently push away. All right, we're going to pull the knee in towards the chest and hold for a few breaths. And then gently release. And from here, you can fold forward as you'd like. Very gently from here, rise. Taking your right foot now, you're going to slide it down the left knee. Reach further with your right fingertips. You can bring your left forearm to the floor and reach. So reaching with your right fingertips as far as you can pulls that stretch right into the low lumbar, low back. Very gently rise all the way up. You're going to take your left arm now, and take the eye of the elbow and wrap it around your right knee. Pull your knee in towards your belly as you look over your right shoulder. So you're really squeezing and really compressing your thigh up against your belly. Nice big inhale here. And exhale, side out. So unraveling from here, we'll do this on the other side. So this time you're bringing your right shin parallel. And then you're going to bring your left foot on top. Make sure that foot is flexed. And from here, we're drawing in and gently pushing away. On this one, let's draw that knee in towards the chest and squeeze. And then gently release. And then finding what feels good for you here. Maybe you're upright and that is enough. You're feeling enough of a stretch. Maybe you lean forward. A few breaths here. Gently rise up out of this as you drop your left foot to the outside of your right knee. You're taking your left hand now and you're reaching nice and far. Bring your right forearm to the floor. Reach. Breathe. Gently coming all the way up. Taking the eye of your right elbow now, locking it around that left knee, and then squeezing your knee, your thigh, into your belly to help you twist, looking over your left shoulder. And gently from here, we'll release the shape and we'll come to lay down on our backs. From here, with your knees bent, allow your left knee to drop open to the left as you bend your right knee in towards the chest. Grab a hold of the pinky toe edge of your right foot for half happy baby. So gently pull down on that right foot. Gently close that shape. And sole the right foot to the floor. Right knee drops out. Grab a hold of the pinky toe edge of the left foot. Half happy baby on the side. Gently release. Bend both knees in towards the chest. Gently rock. And find your resting pose. Taking constructive rest today. Just a few moments to connect to the breath. Slowly from here, embedding little flickers of movement back into the body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Rotating the ankles, the wrists. Maybe reaching the arms up overhead for a nice long body stretch. Reach, 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 reach. On the exhale, just allow everything to drop heavy. Bend the knees one by one. Rolling over onto your side. Cradle the head and the upper arm. And then gently push yourself up to a seat. So with your eyes closed, just humbly bow your chin in towards your chest. Draw the shoulders up towards the ears and down the back. At this point in our practice, I will read the blessing for this week. If you're not sticking around for the blessing, I do hope you enjoy the practice. The blessing says, "May God's Spirit empower you with self-control this week, giving you strength to choose His best in every situation." Let's take a nice big inhale, draw the shoulders up towards the ears. And exhale down the back. Gently opening the eyes. If you enjoyed this practice, remember you can always come back to it at any time you're looking to unwind or really open up your hips and side body. As for the blessing, I remember someone once told me not to view your self-control as a burden, but to see it more as a gift. And I know self-control is hard sometimes. But I guess my next question is, what is an area that you need to exercise more self-control, or maybe an area that you need to have some sort of boundary or boundaries? If you feel comfortable, you can share that in the comments. Also, I just wanted to say thank you for your support the last 3 weeks that I've been doing series. It's been fun. It's been a learning curve. I think putting out a video every day is great, but it's not sustainable going forward. So I will continue to do series, but maybe do a series once a month and continue putting out maybe 2 videos or 2 practices a week. We'll see how it goes. And also I noticed that the 15 minutes is like the sweet spot. So I'm trying to keep all of my videos down to 15 minutes. Again, thank you so much. I do appreciate all of your support. And going forward, I hope that I can continue to expand my reach here on YouTube. Until the next practice, I will see you soon.